This man came to Singapore 200 years ago and he changed everything. Who is he? Let's find out. Remember our story, Singapore, the Lion City? But a long time after the prince, Singapore was very small. It was a village, a very small place with not many people. Can you say it with me? Village. Nice! Then in 1819, this man came. His name was Sir Stamford Raffles. Raffles, say it with me. Great. He came from England, Great Britain, very, very far away. Raffles came on a big ship, not a small boat. Big ship. Say it with me. Ship. Good. A boat is small, a ship is big. Raffles looked at Singapore and said, "This place is perfect." Why? Because Singapore is in the middle. Ships from China come here, ships from India come here, they all pass Singapore. So Raffles decided to trade in Singapore. Trade means buy and sell. People buy and sell things. This is what trade means. Repeat after me. Trade. Great! Raffles started to build, to make things such as houses, roads, shops. Come try saying it with me. Build, build, build. Wonderful. Okay, let's practice our new words. Village, ship, trade, build. Now, sentences. Say it with me. Number 1. Singapore was a small village. Can you say it with me? Raffles came on a big ship. Repeat after me. Number 3. He wanted to trade, buy and sell. Say it with me. Number 4. Raffles started to build a town. Say it out loud. It's quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. What was Singapore before? A big city or a small village? Did you say a small village? Yes. Good job. Question 2. What is the man's name? Can you say it again? Sir Stamford Raffles? Wonderful! Question 3. What does trade mean? Buy and sell. Excellent. Next time, I'll tell you about Singapore's birthday. Yes, Singapore has a birthday. When is it? Remember to like, follow, and I'll see you next time. Bye!